See this raw sales data? Would you believe me if I told you we could get it into Power BI Desktop? Well, you can. Let's jump in. Welcome back to our Power BI Basics tutorial series. If you haven't been tuning into the previous videos, please feel free to check them out. We're going through Power BI step by step, introducing features and showing you how to use just the basics. So today we're going to be talking about Power Query. Power Query is one of the most powerful pieces of Microsoft Power BI. It's what allows you to actually ingest the data into a Power BI data model. So let's take a look. I just opened up Power BI Desktop. Today I'm going to be clicking Blank Report. This is going to open up a Power BI blank report. Then, to get into Power Query, I'm going to go click this Get Data dropdown, and then I'm going to click More. It'll ask me for the type of data that I want to import, and for now, I don't want to import any data, so I'm just going to search for blank query and click Connect. Now, what you're going to see is it's going to open up Power Query Editor. Power Query Editor is the way we interact with Power Query through Microsoft Power BI. So what exactly is Power Query? Power Query is a powerful transformation and preparation tool integrated into Power BI. It allows you to connect to various data sources to clean and transform your data. You can connect to databases, Excel files, web services, and more. The flexibility ensures that you can gather all the data you need into one place. Power Query tends to be very intuitive to use with a step-by-step interface that allows you to remove unnecessary columns, filter rows, change data types, and even merge or append two different data sources. These transformations are all going to be recorded as steps. After transforming the data in Power Query, you can then click here and click Close and Apply, and it'll go ahead and bring your data into your Power BI data model. Power Query saves us time by automating repetitive tasks and reducing manual errors. It's really a game changer for anyone working with data. Now, over the next few videos, we're going to show you how to use Power Query. We're going to be importing data from a few different sources. We're going to be cleaning that data, and then we're going to be merging it together. So, if you haven't already, please like this video and then subscribe to the channel to go ahead and continue to learn Microsoft Power BI with us.